Look at this. This clip. This one. And this one. All generated with Seedance 2.5. And here's the part that should surprise you. I didn't pay for a single one of these generations. If you're an AI content creator, you already know the problem. Credits run out fast, and even when you do pay, getting realistic motion, consistent characters, and real camera movement out of an AI model isn't easy. Seedance 2.5 is one of the most impressive video models out there right now. But access and credits are still the catch. So for this video, I wanted to test 3 things. How good is Seedance 2.5's output actually? How many free generations can you really get? And does an image-to-video workflow make the results any better? Let's find out. The platform I used is called Dola AI. Inside its video generator, I switched to fast mode, selected Seedance 2.5, set the ratio to 16:9, and started testing. One limit worth knowing up front. This platform caps Seedance 2.5 at 10 seconds per generation, so anything longer means splitting it into parts and stitching them together. Test 1. Quality. I wrote a full cinematic prompt, camera angles, lighting, character consistency, timing, all spelled out, and hit generate. And this is what came back. Realistic lighting, a believable, busy environment, motion that didn't feel like typical AI stiffness. Honestly, that was better than I expected from a free workflow. Test 2. The credit limit. Dola told me this generation would use 4 credits, with an estimated wait of about 5 minutes. It actually came back in 2 to 3, so I generated another one. Then I checked my balance. 0. After just a couple of generations, my free credits were already gone, and for a second, I thought that was it. The whole free Seedance 2.5 idea basically dead on arrival. But here's where it got interesting. So it's not unlimited in one sitting, but the free credits refill over time. Test 3. Image to video. This is the part that actually changed my results. Instead of generating a video directly from text, I generated an image first, using Dola's image model, and then used that image as the reference for the video. Same idea, same model. The only difference? This one started from an image, not just text. Watch the difference.
Get on the ground now! Stop resisting!
I didn't do anything! Let go of me!
Officer, please, just calm down.
Look at the character consistency. The framing is more intentional. And compared side by side, this one feels much more like a shot that was planned, rather than one the AI just guessed at. So if you're going to try this yourself, that's the one tip that matters most. Text to video works. Image to video works better. Now the honest verdict, because that's really what you came here for. Is Seedance 2.5 free on this platform? Yes, for a limited number of generations a day. Is it truly unlimited? Not in one sitting. You get a daily allowance, it refills over time, but you will hit a wall if you push it too hard, too fast. Is the quality worth it? Based on everything I just showed you, yes. For a free method, the realism and consistency genuinely held up. Just don't expect this to replace a full paid workflow if you're producing content every single day. This is a way to test the model, build with it, learn it, without spending a single credit to get started. I test these tools before you spend your credits on them. That's what this channel is. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next test.
Get on the ground now! Stop resisting!
I didn't do anything! Let go of me!
Officer, please, just calm down.
Hit a wall with generic AI outputs? Unlock ultra-realistic visuals with precision prompting.
Great AI prompts, but zero consistency. Sound familiar?